So, I heard you wanted to start a YouTube channel, but you don't know how to go about it. Well, let's talk about it. Hi guys, my name's Riley. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about the things I wish I knew before starting a YouTube channel and how to grow a successful long-term YouTube channel. The first section of this video is gonna be things I wish I knew before starting my channel, and then the second half is gonna be how to grow your channel. So let's jump straight into it. Okay, starting with the things I wish I knew before starting YouTube. Lesson number 1 is consistency over perfection. If you wait for your first video to be the most perfect thing ever, you will never get the video out. Editing and talking to a camera and just posting in general takes a lot of time to get comfortable with, especially if you're starting from scratch. It's gonna be a little uncomfortable at first. It's gonna take a second to find your editing style. It's gonna take a second to get comfortable talking to a camera, but every video you post, it will slowly get better and better over time. This goes hand in hand with lesson number 2. Your first video is not gonna be perfect. So don't waste your time trying to make it perfect, because once again, you will never end up posting. Some videos are gonna be better than others, and that's okay. Not every video needs to be perfect. As long as you are putting in your best work, that's okay. Just think about your first videos as practice. Number 4, audio is almost more important than quality. Obviously, quality is also super important, but you don't need a $4,000 camera to get started. You can start on your iPhone. You just wanna make sure that people can hear you. Talk loud, talk clear, because if no one can hear you, everyone's just gonna click off the video. I'm sure you wouldn't want to watch a YouTube video where you can barely hear the person who's speaking, because what's the point of even watching it? Number 5, super important, don't compare your growth to other channels. Some people are fortunate enough to blow up overnight. However, a majority of us, not so lucky. Just because someone seems to be growing a lot faster than you are does not mean you're doing anything wrong. YouTube is something that takes time, okay? Everyone's channel has a different pace, so don't waste your time comparing it to others, because you one day will get there too. Number 6, editing is gonna take way longer than you think, and it's going to drain you. There are gonna be some days, weeks, possibly months where you don't want to do it. But guess what? You have to do it anyway. And that's honestly the hardest part of it all. You have to keep showing up. Consistency is key. No one's gonna wanna subscribe to your channel if you say you're gonna post every Wednesday and then you don't post every Wednesday. Every week you post, YouTube will recognize that you're active and constantly posting and help push out your channel. Number 7 goes along with the audio. You don't need expensive equipment to get started. If you want to buy it, knock yourself out. But starting with your phone is completely okay. As long as you're pushing out content, it's not that big of a deal. As long as the quality's decent, as long as they can hear you, doesn't matter. You can upgrade once you feel ready. Don't feel pressured. Number 8, engagement matters. If anyone comments on your video, comment back. Interact with your subscribers, because that's how you're gonna build a community versus just having subscribers. Having a strong community is gonna mean people are gonna come back. The same subscribers are gonna keep interacting with your videos while you get new ones. Number 10, batch filming saves so much time. If you're feeling super motivated one day and you have a bunch of ideas, film them all at once, because obviously we all have our own lives. People get busy, especially if you have a job. It can be a lot to handle at the same time. So you could film a couple videos in one day and then just edit them throughout the week. That way you'll have something to edit and upload every single week. Next up, YouTube is a long game. YouTube, like I said previously, takes time. If YouTube is something you want to do, especially full time, you have to have patience. 14, burnt out is real. Find a schedule that works best for you. If batch filming and editing is convenient for you and you find that you're able to do that without feeling so drained all the time, do that. If you need to film one day a week and then edit one day a week, do that. Everybody's different. Last but not least, celebrate every single milestone. Every subscriber is a milestone. Every like is a win. Every comment is a win. Small steps and accomplishments is gonna keep you motivated. But how do you actually grow your channel? Let's talk about that now. First, you want to make searchable content. For example, tutorials, guides, anything that's currently trending. If you have anything you're good at, make tutorials on them, because I guarantee there's plenty of people out there that are willing to learn, are interested in the same things you are. Number 2, nail your titles and thumbnails. Obviously, your first ones are not going to be perfect, all right? They might not even be good, period. But once you start to find that editing style and once you get a little more comfortable, it will just come to you. Number 3, back to this because it's super important, post consistency. YouTube is gonna push out your channel once it recognizes that you are active and consistent. You don't have to post every day, but maybe once a week. If you're really first starting out, you could do once every 2 weeks. Whatever works best for you, do it. Next up, focus on watch time. The first 10 seconds of your video are the most important. You want a hook. You want to grab people's attention. You want to make them curious and make them want to stay. If you find yourself mansplaining something, cut it out. Anything that's slow or boring, cut it out. Next up, pay attention to analytics. Did I say that right? I hope so. But anyway, analytics are gonna show you what people are interested in and what they're not. It's gonna tell you where people click off your video, and it's gonna tell you where people stay. It'll tell you what's working and what's not. Use this info to tweak your content instead of just full on guessing. Number 6, once again, engage with your audience, because this is gonna build a strong community. People will wanna come back and watch your videos while gaining new subscribers. And once again, batch film and stay consistent. Stay ahead. Scheduling your videos has helped me a lot. This makes it easier to focus on quality and growth rather than just scrambling. Number 8, don't only chase trends. Add value. Obviously, chasing trends is gonna help you grow your channel, but also have your own. Post multiple styles of content. So you could do get readies with me, tutorials, vlogs, you know, and then find what people like to watch from you. People are gonna subscribe from the value you provide, whether it's entertainment, education, inspiration. Give viewers a reason to come back. Number 9, be patient. It's not a marathon, okay? Every video you post teaches you something new. It's gonna teach you what you don't like to film, what you do like to film, what people like to watch from you, what they don't like to watch from you. If you keep showing up and posting, growth will happen, I promise. And last but not least, show your personality. Obviously, once again, just like a majority of these things, it's gonna take time. Your true personality will show once you are comfortable talking to a camera. At the end of the day, people are gonna subscribe to you because they like you. If you have low energy or you're coming off as, you know, boring, people aren't gonna subscribe. Your personality is gonna make your channel unique. So with all that being said, now you know how to start and grow a successful YouTube channel and know the things that I wish I knew before starting my own channel. I hope this list helped you guys out. If you like this type of content, make sure to like and subscribe to let me know. Any video ideas or suggestions, comments, questions, etc. comment down below. I answer everybody. But that is all for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.